Light sweet crude oil can offer traders good trading opportunities because other than paper assets like the E-mini with a mixed bag of stocks, crude oil is a physical asset reacting to supply and demand respectively. I've plotted a 30-minute chart of September crude oil showing some opportunities, applying profile zone analysis, and some of these trading opportunities also took place during the European trading hours. This type of crude oil is also called West Texas Intermediate and is produced in the Gulf of Mexico. Traded as futures contracts at the New York Mercantile Futures Exchange. Contracts are switching every month. Last trading day around 20th of each month. A front month is always the following month. If you trade crude oil, you should consider to switch the contract already 2 or 3 days before the expiration, because by then the volume of the expiring month is decreasing. Crude oil trades in US dollar per barrel, tick size 1 cent, tick value $10, and if you trade the micro contract it is $1 per tick. The micro contract has been introduced last year, causing a great feedback until now. It is an interesting option for stock market futures traders to have the choice of finding more trading opportunities, because the more selective a trader can be, the better the odds of success. The most important fundamental data is released every Wednesday in the form of oil inventories. Another type of crude oil is called Brent crude, containing a higher level of sulfur than US oil, and it is also called UK oil, traded at the London Intercontinental Exchange ICE as a futures contract based on US dollar.